Hello everyone, I am Monica from IELTS 9. You can say this. I will be doing this journal training reading because most of the students they were asking for journal training reading. Do it for these videos. Okay, so the title is Procedure for Making a Complaint at Work. That is section 2 reading. Okay, so I will not be reading anything here. So I will straight away go to the type of questions. I will show you. So please subscribe my channel and like my videos if you have learned even single question. If you have learned something from my video, please at the end do like and subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you so much in advance. Definitely we have 4 questions from 15 to 21. Choose complete the flow chart. This is flow chart, and one word and or a number we can use. One word means one word, not a, of, to. These are also countable, so we will not be writing these words if not required, because we have to stick only one word. And or a number means a number, and like if something is there like 5 times, this is the example of number. This is number and this is word, so don't worry about it. If they have given this, one word and a number or a single number can come. Okay, so this is the instruction for choose one word only. Okay, first type of question we have choose these fill in the blanks. Indirectly you can say, and second also they have given us fill in the blanks. Okay, with some instructions also. Let's start with first type of question, that is our raising a grievance at work. Okay, let's start it how we will be doing it. So first we will read the question statement and underline the keyword, and this is blank. Before the blank and after the blank are also important word in getting the right answer. Okay, ask to see your immediate manager on an basis. An is my important word, basis. Okay, I will go to the statement. This is the reading, you can see this. So here they were talking about if you have a problem or complaint at work, you might want to take this up to your employee. This is called a raising a grievance. This is the title. Often the best way to sort out a problem is to request an word was there. Informal meeting with your immediate manager was also there. So we will write here immediate manager was there. So on an informal basis. Okay, coming to second number. If not satisfied, find details of your company's grievance procedure. This may be in a handbook or an internet site. So these are 2 words I will be looking, but of course we have to read the statement also. If not satisfied, find details of your grievance procedure. This may be in handbook or an internet site. Okay, let's look at the internet site. It is possible to sort out the problem without further action. However, if you do not feel your problem has been solved, you may decide to raise a formal grievance. In case, you should first try to find out company's grievance procedure. You should be able to find details of this in your handbook. Word was also there, HR or personal manual or internal site. So it means answer may be between this. Okay, handbook, personal manual or internal site. Okay, so what they are asking, handbook or an internet. So after handbook, what it is written, you can see this handbook is here. So personal manual, so so this is between internet site and handbook. So this is the thing between this, but we can't write both the things. So we will be writing manual is the main important thing. So we will be writing here manual. Okay, coming to next 17th. Write to your employee with details of your complaint. You may also suggest a dash. What you may also suggest? You may also suggest a dash. Okay, write a complaint to your boss. Okay, the next step will probably to be write to your employer, explain your problem, and it can think a possible solution and resolving it, giving details of this. When you have written your letter, check whether you have written the date and retain. Okay, what the actual thing? You may also suggest a. Okay, what he is You have a record. Your employer should arrange an initial meeting a reasonable time. Even if you think, okay, you explain your problem, and if you can think of a possible solution for resolving it, giving details of this. Okay, you can na? So here you may also suggest a solution. How they have used, instead of may, they have given you can also suggest, you can also think of a possible solution. So that's why while giving complaint you may also suggest a solution. Now coming to next, letter and keep a copy. Your employer should hold a meeting. You have the right to be accompanied by a 18th number blank, by a or a trade union. So I will be looking for any person will be there, or a trade union representative. So this is the keyword. I will be looking for this keyword only first. So this whole paragraph we have already read. So trade union I will be looking. So I will be going for next page. So this is my next page. So I was looking for my, what they have asked, trade union representative. Okay, colleague, yeah, here it is, trade union representative. So we were looking for or a. So here it is or, so this it is given in same. So here colleague, a word was also there, a colleague from work or a trade union representative. In GT reading, actually you need to understand the statement side by side, or some answers you will get it like that, just picking the important word. And how I have not understood this meeting, I have not found these letters. Instead, this was easy to find, that's why I have just straight away went to the location of this trade union representative, and or is also written and a was also written. That's why colleague answer will be there. Coming to next 19th number, your employer should then arrange a further meeting. So because we have here GT reading, lot of information for filling the blanks, but in academic reading lot of information is not there in questions. So your employer should arrange a further meeting where possible. This should be led by a manager who is to the previous one. Okay, manager who is dash to the previous one. Okay, so manager, so here they are talking about. So this, after meeting, your employer should write to telling what you have decided to grievance. So I am looking for manager. Employer's decision, you have the right to appeal against it, must be done in writing. A further meeting should then be called, which yeah, this was the location, led by a more senior manager if possible. Manager is there, so it means who is senior they have written. See this. So I will show you the question. Your employee should then arrange a further meeting where possible. This should be led by a manager who is senior to the previous one. Okay, coming to next. If you are still not happy with the decision, you can think about the possibility of. Of is also important word. If you are still not happy. Okay, so same word is here. If you are still not happy, satisfied with the decision made at this meeting, you may consider whether one way to solve the problem might be through mediation. Okay, might be means possibility of mediation. This time I so with the help of this of we couldn't get the answer, but possibility means might. So think about problem might be through mediation. So we can write here mediation in 20 number. Okay, next is make an employment tribunal claim. This must be done within dash of the date of the event. Okay, so my important word is tribunal claim. So tribunal claim, where we can get external agent employment. Yeah, this is the okay. What the so time they were asking for. So time, this must be done within dash of the date of the event. Okay. So tribunal claim is here. You must do no more than 3 months after the time when the event you are complaining about. It means we will be writing 3 months. So of course instruction are also one word and a number. So I will be writing here 3 months. Same is it is whatever the style they have given, I will be writing like this. Okay, so if you want to write 3 months, that's also okay, but I would suggest write this because they have given in this style in passage. Okay, now coming to next, driving a taxi or private hire vehicle. So in same section, as you know, we have two section, two passage, small passages. Now coming to this paragraph. For this paragraph that I have shown, hiring a taxi driver, so we have been given these questions from 22 to 27. So I will not be reading anything from the passage. Straight away I will read this question. Private hire drivers, okay, these words only take passengers by arrangement with an and word is important. Now in first question I will be looking for private hire drivers only take passengers by arrangement with and. This is important word to find. Okay, so paragraph is starting from here. You can see this. So taxi is also there. Take a license plate roof driver in advance can wait a taxi rank or pick up passengers while on the move. You could combine normal pickup jobs with pre-arranged contracts such as regular trips or school. Unable to drive, you might also take longer trips such as taking people to airports. The other type of passenger transport is a this word I was looking for. As a private hire driver, you can only collect passengers who have pre-booked through your operator. You cannot flag down in the street. So what is the answer? Take passengers by arrangement with an. Okay, with an. What we can get for this? With an word is not there. Operator. You have pre-booked through your operator. See this. Passengers by arrangement with an operator. So an will definitely come with operator because spelling is starting from O. So smartly they have done here this work. So I was looking for an, but no, they have not used this an word. So, but if you read the sentence structure, if you match the meaning remains the same. Okay, coming to 23rd, a driver's job may involve helping those with problems. So helping those with some problems. Okay, when working in a taxi or a private hire vehicle, take job details on the radio, car, computer. Help to load and unload passengers' luggage, but problem we are looking for. Assist passengers with any physical conditions, make it difficult for them to get in out of the vehicles, take payment. So I think physical conditions, physical problem is a condition. Okay, so yeah, a drivers may involve helping those with physical problems. So see this sentence. Okay, coming to 24, working hours for drivers may vary, okay, working hours, but the greatest demand is in the, okay, greater demand. So working conditions and skills. Yeah, let's read this. Where you should spend most of the time on road, sometimes in heavy traffic, you would be constantly on the move. The job allows you to, your hours, yeah, we were looking for working hours, but you will find more work in the evening. You would work between 16 hours, okay. For drivers may vary, but the greatest demand is in, you will find more work in the evening. So demand is in the evening. Okay, evening, sorry, yes, will also come. Okay, next coming, the majority of drivers are, what the majority of the drivers, okay, they have given some percentage. In the UK, 17% of taxi drivers are employed full-time, 17 are employed part-time, 66 are self-employed, means 17 and 17% are not majority. These are the majority. They are self-employed. See this? How easily we are doing this reading. A driver needs to be familiar with the dash of the area. A driver needs to be familiar with the dash of the area, okay. So requirements. So okay, you will, okay, you see this, helping customers, you may be problems, have good time management and skills. But requirements, needs means driver needs requirements. Let's read this. You will need a special license from local authority to be taxi driver, private car. For this usually need 21 years old to have clean current driving license. Okay, you may also need, see this need word was also there, needs to be familiar, needs to pass a test of knowledge about the local geography. If you are using your own vehicle, it will also need a special license. Okay, familiar with geography, local means area, local not means area, so geography of the area you should write it here. because we can use only one word, that's why geography will come here. This is not two words, these are one word because this is there. So next, it may be useful if a driver has evidence of some dash. Okay, so driver has some. It may be useful if a driver has some. If you are using your own vehicle, no. If it may be useful if a driver has evidence of some ability. So ability is skills, some good time management ability or numeracy skills, what we can use it. Or you can, ability is here in skills, then skilled driver need to be communicating with people and you must be tactful, dealing with problems, have good time management, numeracy skills, and you need a special local private car for the usually driving lessons. So what is the answer for this? See this. It may be useful if a driver has evidence of some ability. What kind of ability he is having? Special license to be taxi driver. If you have clean current driving, you may need a pass of test. If you are using, it will need a special license. Has evidence of special, no, ability he is talking. So let's read this paragraph also. As well, being a skilled driver, you need to get good at communicating with people and helping customers. You must be tactful, dealing with problems, have a good time management. So I will write here management ability. Okay, you can check the answer. I think it will be correct here. Good time management and skills.